This year, we wanted to have Tom Main and Kerenza Harris from Morphosis to challenge us about this very important topic of how we will be designing cities.
Architects shape the world, and they translate the world in physical terms, in cultural, social, political, ecological, urban terms.
Design is a much broader perspective about how we live, but all the way to the building we experience and all the way to the living experience of a city.
Today we have the ability to create intelligent lines. It allows us to make our architectural system smarter.
So it's a natural thing for artists and designers to actually go to science to find solutions.
Data is at the core of how we deal with geometry, formal components, and how we start to develop the 3D elements.
It's by translating those data that are immaterial back into physical experiences.
And throughout the designing of a project, the line will start in the day of conception and will continue to live through to the day this piece of architecture gets into the world.
We need to basically showcase a very large ecology of thinking, and to be here in Milano is the occasion for us to actually establishing that dialogue with our technology, with our solution. We can empower designers, innovators, makers to actually design a better future.